On Divergence, you can trade binary options with a range strike. You can buy a shield token and get paid a fixed reward when the underlying settles within a price range. How does this work? Here's an explainer. First of all, let's see what happens when you short a binary call. You receive a premium for the obligation to make a fixed payment when the underlying settles at or above your strike price. On Divergence, you get a fraction of a collateral for the obligation of paying one collateral. This collateral can be any fungible token used to fund a pool. When you short a binary put, you receive a premium for the obligation to make a fixed payment when the underlying settles below your strike price. Sometimes the underlying price can stay within a price range. You can short a binary call and a lower strike binary put for the same expiration. This way, your total obligation is one collateral. You get to keep the premiums you receive when the underlying settles between the strikes of your binary call and put. This turns out to be the payoff structure of our range strike shield tokens. You pay less than one collateral for a max reward of one collateral when the underlying settles within a price range. Separately shorting a binary call and a binary put of the same payoff structure can sometimes cost you more or less. These situations can present arbitrage opportunities. Anyways, we hope to see you soon trading on Divergence, and if you have any questions, head over to the Telegram or Discord and we are happy to help.